Here are some events, sites, and people to experience in Istanbul in the spring of 2023, along with explanations of each suggestion. Visit the Hagia Sophia. This UNESCO World Heritage Site is a former cathedral-turned-mosque-turned-museum, and is known for its stunning architecture and rich history. It is located in the Sultan Ahmet area of Istanbul. Explore the Grand Bazaar. This is one of the largest and oldest covered markets in the world, and is a must-see for anyone visiting Istanbul. It is located in the Fatih district and is home to thousands of stalls selling everything from Turkish souvenirs to clothing, jewelry, and more. Take a boat tour along the Bosphorus Strait. This waterway separates Europe and Asia, and a boat tour is a great way to see the city from a different perspective. You can take a tour that goes all the way from the Black Sea to the Sea of Marmara. Visit the Topkapi Palace. This was the primary residence of the Ottoman sultans for nearly 400 years, and is now a museum that visitors can explore. It is located in the Sultan Ahmet area and features a number of beautiful courtyards, gardens, and buildings. See a performance at the Istanbul State Opera and Ballet. This venue is home to the Istanbul State Symphony Orchestra and the Istanbul State Ballet, and hosts a number of performances throughout the year. Walk along the city's historic walls. These walls date back to the 4th century, and offer a great opportunity to see the city from a different perspective. They are located in the Fatih district. Visit the Istanbul Modern Art Museum. This museum features a number of modern and contemporary art exhibits from both Turkish and international artists. It is located on the European side of the city. Take a tour of the Galata Tower. This medieval stone tower is located in the Beyoğlu district and offers panoramic views of the city. You can take a tour to the top of the tower and learn about its history. Experience the city's nightlife in the Beyoğlu district. This area is known for its bars, clubs, and restaurants, and is a great place to experience Istanbul's vibrant nightlife. Attend the Istanbul Tulip Festival. This annual festival is held in April and features displays of over 15 million tulips in various parks and gardens around the city. It is a great way to see the city in bloom and experience some of the local culture.